Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lesson number 5 on chapter 9 Transfer of Heat of syllabus Physics 5054 for Cambridge and O-level students. To those viewers who are new to the series, they are requested to go for lesson number 1 to 4 so that they may have a better understanding of today's lesson. I am providing the link over here in the video. So let us start with our today's discussion. In our lessons on transfer of heat, we have already discussed conduction and convection and radiative transfer of heat. And in today's video, we will discuss what factors can affect the speed of radiative heat transfer. So let us start with this. For the sake of revision, I am repeating the definition of radiation, that it is a type of transfer of heat which does not involve any molecular motion. It means the heat is transferred from one point to another by the use of waves or rays. So, we have discussed in our lessons on radiation that when light falls on an object, the object reflects the light of its own color. For example, in this case, if white light, which is a mixture of 7 colors, falls on an object, so this object will going to reflect red light while absorb the rest of them. So the absorbed light may cause the temperature rise in that particular object, which is a proof of radiative transfer of heat, because the light energy at this point is converting into heat and raising the kinetic energy of the molecules of the object. However, the surface color affects the temperature rise and heat absorption. For in this case, the red light is being reflected while the rest is being absorbed. But what will happen if the object is black in color? Yes, when the light falls on this type of object, no light is reflected, and that is why we see the object to be black in color. So surface color is one of the property which can affect the radiative heat transfer, and black bodies are considered to be the best absorber because they are not reflecting any light. It means they are absorbing all parts of it. So the temperature of the black object kept in the sun may rise as quickly as compared to the white or shiny object. The second factor which affects the radiative transfer of heat is texture of the surface. In these two pictures, you can see one tubes are smooth while the other have fin over it. The fin tubes actually has an irregular surface. An irregular surface has larger surface area because of the irregularities on it, and larger surface area assists the object to absorb more and more light, and rise in temperature will be more in irregular objects. So if the texture of the surface will be rough, it will be a good absorber of heat in case of radiation. However, if the surface is shiny and smooth, so it will reflect most of the light and it will not be a good absorber. Those objects which are good absorber may emit the light in the form of heat or infrared radiations later on. So for example, in the case of this iron bar, iron has absorbed too much heat and now it is emitting and it is glowing. So with this proof that good absorbers are good reflectors. No, the good absorbers are good emitters, and they absorb the amount of light and later on emit them. However, the good reflectors are bad absorbers because they reflect all the lights and does not absorb any, just like this metallic bowl shown in the video. So the good absorbers are good emitter because they can only emit energy when they would have absorbed it. And the good reflectors are bad absorber and bad emitter. So these are the factors which can affect the radiative heat transfer of light and heat. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic. Thank you for watching.